This presentation gives you a brief introduction and overview of the Q platform. Maana integrates human expertise, machine intelligence, and digital stockpiles so it becomes very easy to form a judgment and make better decisions faster about business challenges. The company was founded in 2012 and has large enterprise customers around the world. The platform is used to develop digital twins of business operations across the enterprise and applications to optimize local decisions. Besides the software developers and data scientists, the subject matter experts play a direct key role in building those solutions. There are two key benefits of using the Q platform: speed of development and speed of change. Not only is it a so-called no-code, low-code platform that, by definition, makes the development fast, but the services and models built are meant to be reused. As the catalog of services grows, the development of additional solutions accelerates. Secondly, things change. Most solutions need to adapt to changed conditions. No matter whether those changes are coming from inside or outside the enterprise, when solutions are developed on the Q platform, they are not meant to be carved in stone. They can, and sometimes should, be enriched over time, and additions and changes are very easy to make without doing a lot of recoding. Based on patents, the computational knowledge graph is a unique Maana invention that makes the aforementioned benefits possible. In addition, a lot of tools are provided with the platform. Those tools help with the construction of solutions. Together, they enable to take the subject matter expertise, frame it in the form of problem questions, which are then solved by both data and algorithms coming together. Traditionally, data analytics involves starting with the data and doing a bottom-up approach. With knowledge first, you take a more human approach. You focus first on the subject matter experts and how they think about a business problem. So, this deals with concepts, the relationships between those concepts, as well as the types of operations needed to perform in order to solve the business problems. In other words, knowledge involves trying to answer the business problem from a top-down perspective. Maana's interactive development environment promotes iterative collaboration across the entire team developing the solutions. From the subject matter experts to the analysts to the architect to the data scientists to the engineers. To enable and help the whole team to work together, the platform provides a visual modeling environment. Not only is this used to author the solutions, but it's also used to test the solutions step by step as they are being developed. So, to make it clear, Maana is not a data platform. The knowledge layer is wedged in between the data and consummation of insight, so you avoid knowledge segregation in multiple applications. Unlike other platforms, Maana doesn't require you to move all your data into a new system or a data lake. Instead, it can take advantage of where data already resides. Maana is designed with three goals in mind. The development of solutions has to be as frictionless as possible. Hence, the visual programming environment is provided to enable more people to participate and collaborate in the development and delivery of solutions. It supports the citizen developer to be hands-on. Secondly, multiple programming languages are supported to ensure an organization's existing programming technique is supported when advanced programming is needed. Everything is built as reusable components. The analogy is that these reusable components work as Lego building blocks in your development. From use case to use case, you get acceleration from being able to take advantage of what you've already invested in. Those reusable components can access existing services. They can access third-party services or internal services that you've already developed. So, interoperability is key. Hence, the platform is non-intrusive and provides extensive connectivity and integration in an ecosystem approach. This includes access to many available cloud services. The system itself is entirely based on Kubernetes and uses both Microsoft Azure services and the AKS infrastructure. All the reusable components that are developed are stored in a model catalog, and hence this catalog will grow over time as more applications are developed. Out of the box, the platform provides a set of general-purpose services in the catalog. An example of a specific service is a model to handle physical quantities and measurements. Another example is a bunch of services that wrap Microsoft Azure capabilities including machine learning libraries, NLP, image and audio recognition. So, in summary, the frictionless development enables that you can run tests and business simulations in a safe, fast, low-code environment. that you can continuously optimize your business to reflect real-time changes and improve models over time. And you can capture and encode organizational knowledge and expertise, and thereby increase knowledge sharing and retention of that expertise. The reusable components enable that you minimize time to develop and deploy applications, that you reduce duplication of models and applications, and you minimize errors in calculations and decisions. And the interoperability enables that you can use data where it already resides or can use an existing data lake, that you leverage existing development and services, both internally and externally, and that you can focus on global optimization of local decisions. The following 4 slides illustrate how Maana Q is used. In short, you state the business problem, encode the domain knowledge, build the services, and create a user interface for end users to interact with. Obviously, the first step is to have the business problem clearly articulated. To ensure the best efficiency of using Maana Q, it should be stated as a question. It's recommended to spend some time on this to ensure it's precisely articulated. Next, you decompose the problem question into sub-questions. This is called functional decomposition. At the same time, you capture the key business concepts and their relationships, as well as how to answer the sub-questions, and therefore in the end how to solve the business problem. That is, this is where you capture the domain knowledge from the subject matter experts, and you create a model of how your business operates. When the decomposition of the functions is completed, then it's time to create an implementation of the functions. This can happen in 2 ways. Either existing internal or external services are mapped and wrapped, or developers build a new microservice. And finally, connections to data sources are created. Then everything becomes a scalable microservice and a reusable component. As illustrated earlier, the results of the computations, that is, the answer to the business question raised in the first step, is meant to be consumed in a user interface. The user interface can be an existing application that integrates the results, or a new purpose-built application created to address the business problem. Such a user interface is built outside of Maana. A key point to note is that all logic that relates to finding the answer to the business question is kept in the knowledge platform. None of it should be in the user interface nor in the data layer. Otherwise, it cannot easily be reused. Thank you.